Okay, so today we're going to change the air filter, the cabin filter on a 2013 Nissan Titan. So to do that, we're going to have to pull off the glove box. And in order to do that, there's a couple little tabs down here. That's where the glove box pivots. So there, you'll find one on each side. Just pop them out. And then there'll be a cable on the side here. So here's one. Here's the other. Now I can just release this. On this side there's a cable. So we'll just pull this piece forward and it'll release this sprung cable. And that gives us access to the inside of the glove box. The glove box is now removed. And basically back, I'll just bring the light up. Back in here, this right here is where so this piece right here, that's where your cabin air filter is. We'll remove this one bolt. The cover will come off, and then we can pull out the air filter and replace it. Okay, so to take that off, that's a 5/16 bolt, so we've got our 5/16 socket. And there's the cover off. And then there's your air filter. I just need a little screwdriver to grab it. So we're going to take the new filter. I'm going to pop it in. Shove that one over. Take the second one, pop it in. There we go. Take the cover. It just clips on at the top. Make sure it's seated properly. Take that bolt, put it back in. There we go. So now we'll replace the glove box. First thing to do is to reattach the spring cable. And you can position the two hinges into their spots. When you latch it, it'll just kind of hold it in place. And we can replace those retaining clips. That's the one. And that's the second one. We're all done.